Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your AWeber account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download or export your email subscriber list from AWeber? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download or export your list out of AWeber anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to switch providers, so you need to download your email subscriber list. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your AWeber account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my AWeber account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and download your email subscriber list, you're going to click over here on the left, subscribers. Once you do that, you're going to see a list of all of your subscribers in AWeber. And in order to export the list, you're going to click right here, export CSV. Quick second later, you're going to see a pop-up up here. So now my email subscriber list has been downloaded to my computer. Now this could take some time depending on how many subscribers you have. This is just a test account, so there's only 2 contacts, but let me go ahead and open this up and show you what it looks like. Okay, so here is my email subscriber list I downloaded from AWeber. You can see it's split up into all of this data here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download or export your email subscriber list out of your AWeber, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.